Hi all. Now we have reached to most important bone of our body, that is skull. Why it is important? Because it protects our brain. Brain is an organ which controls the entire function of our body. That's why it is the important bone of our body. So we will cover here 28 number of bones. 8 is cranial bones, which is also called brain box. It is flat in shape. Then we will cover the 14 facial bones, in which I am going to tell you one fact. This lower jaw is only the bone which is movable in our face. That's why we enable to speak or move our face or jaw. So next we will cover the three bone of our ear, which is called stapes, incus and malleus. So we will cover these three bones. These three bones are interly connected to each other, and because of this vibration only we'll listen the sounds. After this we will cover hyoid bone. Okay, it is horseshoe type bone present just above the vocal cord, and this one is one image of the ethmoid bone, okay, which is not visible in the first picture. That's why I have shown here. So starting with the 8 cranial bone first, you can see the occipital bone here. It is 1 in number. Then we have temporal bone, which is 2 in numbers. I have written in bracket the numbers of it. One is in this side, another one is that side. And then we have parietal bone, which is 2 in numbers again. Frontal bone, 1 in number. Then we have sphenoid, 1 in number. Okay. And then we have ethmoid. Ethmoid is also 1 in number. I have shown you the image of it. Next is 14 facial bones. You can see the numbers also. Vomer is 1 number because it is in the just in the middle of it. Okay. Zygomatic bone 2 in numbers. Palatine 2 in numbers. Nasal 2 in numbers. Lacrimal 2 in numbers. Inferior nasal concha is 2 in numbers. Maxilla 2 in numbers. One in this side, another one in this side. And then we have mandible, 1 in number. Okay, mandible is only the movable bone in our facial bone. So now we are going to the next one, the ear bones. In ear bone we have 3 types of bones. Okay, I'm showing you the interconnection of it also. Steps, then we have incus, and then malleus. These all 3 bones are interly connected to each other, and these interconnections, because of this interconnection only we listen the sound. See, I am explaining you little bit the mechanism of the sound. When the vibration comes from here through our ear canal, it reaches to the eardrum, and our eardrum vibrates. Because of the vibration of eardrum in this moment, malleus, incus and steps, this also vibrates, because these are very teeny bones in our ear. And because of the vibration of these teeny bones, some chemical reaction happens here. And because of the chemical reactions, some some signals goes from nerves to our brain, and our brain recognize what sound is coming. Okay, uh, what's the sound? It recognize from the past conditioning or past memory, and on the base of it we react. We decide what we have to do in that situation. So this is all about the 28 bones. Now I am telling you about one extra bone, that is hyoid bone. Okay, this hyoid bone is also called tongue bone. It is only the bone which is not connected to any bone in our body. Okay, it is freely movable, and this is also, you can see the shape of it is a horseshoe type bone present just above the vocal cord. So in this way we have covered skull 2. In next video we will cover hand, then legs. So 3 things we have covered: vertebrae, then rib cage or thoracic cage, and then the skull. Thank you.